The exuberant scenery of nature embracing the construction was the starting point for the interior design of the headquarters of a lodge located in the city of São Roque, in the mountains of the Brazilian state of São Paulo, approximately 50 minutes from the state capital. The project is implanted in a site surrounded by native forest, in a region that has waterfalls, natural pools, lakes, and hiking trails. The architectural project was authored by Rosana Buonerba, and Marcelo Salum Arquitetura was responsible for the interior design and ambiance of the spaces. The use of different types of wood and stone in their natural state brings nature into the brick environment, blending it with the landscape visible through the large glass use. The project included a reception for guests with space for a small shop, administrative office, living area with fireplace, dining room with buffet, bar, and an area with a barbecue and pizza oven. All of this is partially integrated, allowing use by large groups, in retreats, company meetings, and courses, without losing the intimate and cozy essence sought by families and couples. A rustic style was combined with the Japanese wabi-sabi concept, which proposes the acceptance of imperfection and creates cozy and relaxing environments. Light tones reinforce this welcoming atmosphere. The integration of spaces and the use of the same finish unifies the environments, causing a sensation of amplitude, enhanced by the large glass panes of the window doors that integrate interior and exterior. Using existing furniture brings new meaning to pieces and provides warmth through familiarity. In addition, it meets the ideals of the lodge, the appreciation of nature, the use of natural materials through solid wood, and the resignification of the original use, avoiding the disposal of these pieces.